Greetings to one and all. We at Logic Technologies are building up a new project, a new software implementation for the society and the welfare of all the kids around. We here have been thinking about sons and daughters everyone around, and having inquest about how parents are checking up on their children. See, kids these days are trying to be much more independent, but there are a lot of temptations for this kind of lifestyle. Parents may not be at 100% in sync with the kids or possible to keep a track of kids. Our software is not exactly entirely new, but it's completely unique, as you can say. In a lot of parts of India have been started to implement this project, but ours is new and launched in Kerala in the starting. It's called Safe Kids. This is for implementing rapid notification to parents. How it is done is, if a child, it's like keeping your child under your eyes even when you're not there. Keeping them notified, keeping parents in the loop. It is real-time notification given to parents via on-spot SMSs. Like for a small, let's talk about a scenario in which immediate hartal goes into place. So you don't know that your child is stranded on. So what it does is, the school gives out a mass text notification that all the parents and all the teachers get in their phone or PDA that the hartal has taken place and you better come up and pick up your kid. Your kid cuts up a class during a normal day. One day of attendance misses, you will get a notification. Maybe a child is sick, or maybe it's bad or good, depends upon it. We also fund OBD calls, that is for product placements and normal kind of bulk messages, emails, and together to give out publicity for the normal consumer. But the entire project is based on safety of kids and implementation of security of our children. The greatest factor is this, and our normal contenders, as I said, it's not completely new, but it's unique. Our contenders do not provide this main feature, that it's completely free. The product and all its necessities, including the backend, which is used by teachers to pick up the attendance, is completely given to the consumer free of charge. There have been no external in-app purchases or any other kind of expenditure in the software. And you can ask what kind of revenue we're getting from this. This is a small kind of notification via advertisements that we get. So that is to bankroll the number of messages, and we have to pay the messaging company somehow. So even if it is bankrolled by the advertisements, that's the only possible thing that we can do, since our entire product, including all the backend softwares, are given free of charge. This is the complete implementation of the product that we're launching, and the final official launch will be done within a couple of days, maybe 2 to 3 days. We have implemented the complete beta version and it's still up and working. And what we request is all our schools to support this, since it's completely free. There's no expenditure for it, and we request all the schools to support us in this venture and keep Kerala a much more safer place to kids and children alike. So one final thought, that's a tagline, is join your support in this evolution. So I hope everyone has future thoughts about stuff like this, and help us entrepreneurs to begin helpful ventures like this. Thank you. Mani.